welcome to Ppss Talk. I am Avyukt Sachdev from grade 1 Gagan. Today I am here to show my gratitude to all my teachers on this auspicious day, Teachers' Day. If a nation's strength lies in its army, then its soul lies in its teachers. Teachers are the invisible roots that keep the tree of our future strong and alive. Teachers don't only teach lessons from books, but they teach and fill in courage, kindness, and resilience. Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan once said that true teachers are those who help us think for ourselves. Isn't that what our teachers do every day? Make us independent, confident, and ready for tomorrow. So today, let us remember every dream we chase, every achievement we earn is a reflection from a teacher's dedication. Their reward is not a medal or a trophy, but it is the glow of success in the students' eyes. Dear teachers, you are not only shaping our career, you are shaping our character, our values, and the very future of this nation. So, on behalf of all Savanians, with folded hands and grateful hearts, we wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you and Jai Hind.